These are the embossed leather clutches. They come in 2 different colors and 2 different patterns. The patterns are 6 elephant and 2 elephant dancing. The colors are purple or red. I'll show you the inside of 2 of the bags. It has got a big pocket on the top which goes all the way to the bottom of the pouch, and there's one coin pouch inside the clutch, and I'll show you the same thing on the one of the purple one. The same. There's one big pocket which goes all the way to the bottom of the clutch, and there's one coin pouch inside as well. So that's it. Places that way, and that's our embossed leather clutches.